friend, Jollibee. Wow! What a fabulous thing! Wow, it's a very nice time! Alright! Alright, now Champion Jollibee, say hi to everyone! Hi! Ayan, at this time, I would like to invite po lahat ng way birthday. Ayan, balita, alam niyo ba best friend, na hindi lang isa ating birthday celebrant. Not just one, not just two, but three. Ayan, tatlo ang ating birthday celebrant ngayon. Kaya naman i-invite ko dito si Tita Mel, si Sir Nico, and si Aichan. Ayan, samahin niyo po si best friend Jollibee Tarapan for our picture taking. Baka sa mukha ni Aichan ang saya. Sino ba naman hindi matutuwa? So napaka-cute nating best friend, si best friend Jollibee. Ayan, Sir Nico. And sino po ba yung maghawak ng cellphone ni Tita Mel? Alright. A good picture muna po kasama ating mga celebrant. Ayan. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Tingin sa camera, Aichan. Aichan. Look at the camera.
Aichan, ready?
Alright. Ayan. This time, best friend Jollibee, Tita Mel, Sir Nico, stay lang po tayo sa harapan.
Stay lang na kayo.
Ayan. Balita ko, best friend. May handa kang mga gift para sa kanilang tatlo. Not just one, not just two, but three magical gift po ang matatanggap nyo mula kay best friend Jollibee. At syempre, sisimulan natin yan sa iyong three magical wishes. Kaya naman sa lahat ng narito, kapag sinabi ko po first wish, ay sasabihin nyo rin po ay first wish. Alright? Kaya naman sa lahat ng narito, sabay-sabay natin sasabihin first wish.
First wish!
Alright, sana po ay patuloy kayong maging matalino.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, sa lahat ng narito, sabay-sabay natin sasabihin second wish.
Second wish!
Alright, kaya para po sa inyo tatlo, sana po ay patuloy kayong maging madasali.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, sa lahat ng narito, sabay-sabay natin sasabihin third wish.
Third wish!
Alright, para po sa inyong tatlo, sana po ay patuloy kayong maging malakas, malusog, like our best friend, Jollibee!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, and this time, best friend Jollibee, ibigay mo na ang iyong second gift para sa kanilang tatlo. Ayan, happy po. Kanino po mapupunta yung isang kamay? Alright, sige kay Aisha na po ba natin ibibigay? Ayan, you will receive a Jollibee lang from best friend Jollibee. Ayan, ano sabihin mo? Say thank you to Jollibee. Yay! You're always welcome, Aisha. Ayan. And now let us proceed with our cake ritual. And Kuya Miguel, dali natin ito ang cake sa harapan para kay Tita Mel, kay Sir Nico, and kay Aisha. like to invite everyone to please stand up po, tayo po tayong lahat. Ayan, at dahil sabay-sabay natin ulit kakantahan ang ating mga celebrant ng isang masayang birthday song na may kasamang palakpakan. Alright? Dito tayo sa gitna ng media. Alright, and once again, let's sing a happy birthday song to our birthday celebrant. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Alright. Sabay-sabay.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, kaya naman, this time, we wish you all the blessings the Lord has in store for you. Kaya naman, Tita Mel, Sir Nico, and Aichan, please make a wish and blow your candle. Alright, this time walang ibang busy message na kami sa iyo tatlo, kundi patuloy kayong maging matalino, madasalin at maging malakas katulad niya. Ayan, kaya naman, without further ado, best friend Jollibee. Ayan, picture taking muna tayo together with cake. Kunin natin ang cake. Ayan, pa-picturean po sila. Ayan, for our great king po, may pinapatang si best friend Jollibee. Kung gusto niyo ba siyang makitang sumayaw? Yes na yes!